The problem given is solve by the variation of parameters, discover by dx square minus 2 divided by dx plus y is equal to e raised to x by x. So first, as usual, we write in d form d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equals e raised to x by x. Now the CF m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be m minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. Very easy thing. So m is equal to 1 comma 1, right? So we have found our roots here now. The CF will be, see here in variation of parameters, be careful about the roots and the CF, because the entire solution depends on the CF. The CF goes wrong, then the whole solution is waste. So CF is equal to now C1 plus C2x into e raised to x for repeated terms. Okay. So again we rewrite this as, open a bracket, C1 e raised to x plus C2x e raised to x. Therefore solution y is written as ay1 plus b y2. Here y1 is e raised to x and y2 is x e raised to x. Fine. Next what? We find Wronskian w, that is y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash, and that will be e raised to x as it is into y2 dash is differential of x e raised to x, that is product tool, x as it is derivative e raised to x e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is derivative x is 1 only minus y2 is x e raised to x as it is into differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x only. Okay, so that will be x e raised to 2x, open a bracket, e raised to x into e raised to x is e raised to 2x plus again e raised to 2x minus x e raised to 2x. This cancels, we have w is equal to e raised to 2x. Okay, this is my w. Underline it in the examination. The next is to complete a solution we need a and b. For that we find w. The a formula is minus integration of phi of x into y2 whole over w dx. That will be a is equal to minus integration of, what is phi of x? The RHS, that is e raised to x by x. What's y2? y2 is x e raised to x upon w is e raised to 2x, what I found out. And this is going to be very simple integration. Okay, I'll add dx here. See here x cancels, e raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x upon e raised to x cancels. What remains is 1. We have a is equal to integration of 1 dx, and the integration of 1 is x plus c, or I will take this constant as c1. Okay. We found a here. Now let's find b. b is equal to again integration of phi of x into y1 divided by w dx. That is equal to integration of, what is phi of x? E raised to x over x into, what's y1 here? It is e raised to x over e raised to 2x upon w dx. Again cancels, what remains? 1 by x. So b is equal to integration of 1 by x dx. Again a very simple integration. So b is equal to, what's integration by x? Integration of 1 over x is log x. Okay. Plus constant is sec8. Therefore the solution would be a is equal to, solution is y is equal to, we have a y1 plus b y2, and a is x plus k1 into, what's y1? It's e raised to x plus b into y2 log x plus k2 into x e raised to x. That's it. This is the solution we obtain. Very simple, clear? I hope it's absolutely clear.